How does the court determine if a property owner should have known of a dangerous condition? Attorney John Rosenberg explains, "The law tries to follow a common-sense rule. It's often referred to as a reasonable man standard. That is to say, what would a reasonable man do under the circumstances? The law requires that a property owner take reasonable care in management and maintenance of his or her property. Well, what is reasonable? It depends on the circumstances. Would a reasonable property owner allow the condition that caused the injury to have gone unnoticed or unrepaired? Would a reasonable property owner maintain the property in the condition that actually caused the injury? Here's an actual example. In a residential apartment building, the on-site manager saw that the concrete of the exterior stairs that led to the second floor was cracking and crumbling. Now, instead of having the broken concrete of the stairs repaired, he used duct tape to cover the broken concrete to hold it in place. After about a month, the duct tape, which was exposed to the rain, heat, and the elements, was no longer sticky, and it began to lift up. As a result, my client was climbing those stairs one day, and his foot got caught under the tape, and he tripped. He fell on the concrete stairs and suffered serious injuries that required surgery. The question for the jury in that case was whether it was reasonable for the manager and property owner to repair broken stairs with tape and leave it there so long that the tape rotted, no longer adhered to the surface of the stairs, and tripped the tenant. That case went to trial, and the jury's answer was no. I asked the owner on the witness stand if the picture of the rotted tape on the ground was a condition that she would allow at her own home. Her answer was no. That's just one example of whether or not a property owner's conduct was reasonable, and it boiled down to common sense. At the law offices of John P. Rosenberg, we work hard to ensure that in the wake of your accident, you're financially taken care of and able to move forward to a brighter future.